Thanks to this natural recipe, goodbye to colds in 1 day. And purify your lungs in 5 days. No matter the season of the year, it is likely that at some point you will get a cold or flu due to the change in climate that is so variable that it exists today. There are a lot of natural remedies that go back from ancient times, and today we will talk about a very interesting one. It is one that can purify your lungs, prevent colds and flu. All the ingredients in this recipe will not only protect you to mention it, but also bring great benefits to your health. So pay attention to how to prepare and consume this natural recipe. You will see that in a little you will feel better. It's for your health. Natural recipe to purify your lungs. Ingredients: 1 large onion, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 liter of water, 3 tablespoons grated ginger, 2 tablespoons honey. Preparation method: heat the water and when the boil breaks add the chopped onion. Cook for 5 minutes and then incorporate the rest of the ingredients. Continue cooking until boiled for 40 minutes on low heat. Remove from the heat and let stand with the pot covered. Once cooled, strain and store in a bottle. Refrigerate. Method of consumption: drink 2 tablespoons of this fasting liquid and repeat again before dinner. Continue daily with this treatment for 10 days until the impurities of the lungs are loosening. For a good lung function, daily consumption of vitamin C is recommended. Drinking a citrus juice in the morning is an excellent way to help remove toxins, mucus and fat accumulated in the body. At least 3 or 4 times a week on an empty stomach and 1 hour before any food. I ask 3